Welcome to ijdm and noisy doves once again. It's something about doing this stuff in the daylight, and the minute I start talking, they start cooing. I think they want my attention. Today we are doing a quick take on comparing speeds of two different hard drives. And we're using an E555 ThinkPad AMD 10 with 10 compute cores, 4 CPU, and I believe 6 GPU from what I'm reading on here. AMD Radeon graphics, nothing special. It's probably not the best laptop in the world, but I'm using this as a temporary laptop until I basically get my new one, which I haven't chosen yet. So I'm just kind of using this as like an everyday check email, look around the internet type deal. And I'm not really overly happy with it, but hey, I got it for free, so you know, what the heck. So it's got the 5400 RPM mechanical drive, or sometimes I refer to as spinners, and then we'll test out this solid state one I picked up for about $30 online, and it's the Crucial BX series. So to be scientific about this, we're going to go from here to basically the login screen, and then we'll see what happens and how we'll do this. So I'm hitting the same time, no trickery, and it is powering on. We got the splash screen for the BIOS, and we got the Windows logo, and I'm assuming there's no updates going on because I did power this up just a few minutes ago just to make sure there's no little updates still pending on it one way or another. And we are still booting. We are up to 23 seconds now. And on the first test I did, which I did off camera just to see, it definitely took every bit of probably about 40 seconds before I actually saw something on the screen at this point. And again, this is from a cold boot. If I just do it from standby, it pops right up. So one of the first questions you ask is, why are you using this laptop? Again, it was free, so you know. Okay, stop. So when the splash screen appeared, it was about, we'll say 44.51 seconds, so we'll say about 43, and I don't know what it just did. I guess it was reloading the photo or whatever, but we're going to go with the 44 seconds on that. And again, so you can see there's no trickery. I'm going to go ahead and swap the hard drives out and show that part on camera. On this laptop, I believe all I have to remove to get to the hard drive is just this panel. It's one thing about IBMs and Dells, they make it fairly easy to actually get into the laptop and do some service work on it, which I did. I cleaned everything up on it. Okay, we're in, and there is the drive. So let's go ahead and take out that drive. And it is a 5400 drive in here. So obviously 7200 would be a little bit quicker, but this is what it came with stock. So let's go ahead and change out the cradle. Now we got the other drive in, and we're going to go ahead and do the same test. I already powered this up and powered it back on just like the other drive because there might be some stuff shifting around after the cloning process, but let's go ahead and see what happens. Same time, and we're powering up. Okay, there is the splash screen and Windows screen, and I got my finger right here on the other thing, and let's see if, whoa. Okay, there you go. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. It took maybe 13 seconds for it to get to that splash screen. Maybe 15, 16 because that little thing it just did, but sometimes it doesn't even do that. I think it was just trying to update the background photo or whatever. So there you have it. I think I'm pretty much convinced that's a significant speed up from where we were at on the last trial, which was, what were we at? 43 seconds or 45 seconds, something like that. But wow, I mean, that is a difference. So if you're wondering, it's worth it to replace your old mechanical hard drive with a solid state and spend the $30 even on an old laptop. Well, to me, this proves it is worth it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If not, you can hit the dislike button as well. And be sure to subscribe if you like what we had on the channel today. We do lots of stuff of retro tech and sometimes little experiments like this that I try to make in what I call quick takes. We'll see you next time.